Hey, what's up, Rockstars? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. And since we did a video a little harsh about sales tax and, you know, a serious video and down to the facts and down to the topics, I figured I'd give you guys a lighthearted story, something to make you smile, something to, you know, put a smile on your face and get your mind off the taxes that we've all been stressing and working on over the last, you know, day or week or month or however long, and over the sales tax situation going on in the Supreme Court right now. I don't know if you guys know it. You probably saw the title, but apparently on any given day at the Amazon warehouse or headquarters in Seattle, Washington, where they're located or based out of, 6,000 dogs go to work each and every day at Amazon. No joke, 6,000 dogs. I'm gonna jump over. I couldn't believe this story when I heard it, and I had to check it out for myself. It's on dozens of sites, so I'll link down below where you can check the story out. But I wanna show you guys this and what we mean by 6,000 dogs go to work at Amazon and how this got started and all of the cool setups that they have for our four-legged friends when they do go to work at Amazon. So come on with me and let's check it out over my computer. That's right, guys. 6,000 dogs are working or go to work, we'll call it quotations, working at Amazon every day estimated. But they get a lot of perks. Like, Amazon has made this a dog-friendly working environment, so people can bring their dog. They sleep under the desk. They have like a 17th floor outdoor play area for the dogs with like fake fire hydrants. It all started with Rufus, which was a dog owned by one of the old Amazon employees. It's a Welsh Corgi who came to work each and every day. I put a picture up there from the website of Amazon of Rufus, the Welsh Corgi. Was born in '94. He did pass away in 2009, so he's been around a long time. That's who started it. I mean, 1994 was, you know, when Jeff Bezos was working with one desk, essentially, all the way up until 2009. And now 6,000 dogs a day, because of Rufus, come to work. They have an 8.1 million square foot building there, so there's a lot of room for those dogs. You know, if you go to one of those broken links and you see the dog that comes up on Amazon's website, it is Rufus. That is the original Welsh Corgi, the one that I just threw the picture up of. They get dog treat snacks at every reception desk in the company. The 17th floor, again, fake fire hydrant, dog relief areas, water stations, leash-free dog park, all up on top of it. They have, you know, Barktoberfest for Halloween. A ton of perks for the dogs, you know, being able to come to work with the owners and being able to hang out at Amazon. And, you know, some studies done by some of these colleges and other things say that the presence of a dog in a group office setting encourages the subjects to be more cooperative. People meet, talk to each other while they're out there letting their dogs play and get some exercise and hang out and you know, communicate. And so it's very, very cool, and that the, you know, the production has gone up for these things. So it's very awesome. Companies like Google, Salesforce, Etsy also are pet friendly in certain locations. Nobody's saying whether Amazon's CEO Jeff Bezos, of course the richest guy in the world, has a dog or brings it to work, but he does have a robotic dog that he brought to Amazon one time right here. So that was his robotic dog. Of course, Jeff has one of those. But I thought it was a very cool story. I thought you guys would get a kick out of this, seeing that Amazon has, you know, 6,000 working dogs, which I've thrown pictures up all of during this video, including the outdoor park and everything, so you guys saw that. And you can Google this. You can look up this story. This one's on CNBC.com. I'll link it down below. Something to give you guys a smile after all the stressful week, taxes, all the tax talk, Supreme Court, all that good stuff. Or all that bad stuff. I figured I'd give you guys something good. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Give the video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have something to say, concerns, questions, any of that kind of stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Good night.